entire semiconductor industry is divided or works in two phases. The one is the chip designing and another one is the manufacturing. Basically, this part is the fabless, right? And this part is a fabrication, right? So earlier we were assumed to be a good fabless suppliers, right? We were having a lot of manpower in verification, lot of manpower in the physical design as well. Okay, but now the progress is going on in this direction as well with the initiative of government, right? So industry is divided into two phases, works in two phases. The one is manufacturing, in this the fabrication, packaging and automatic test equipments, 8 basically this happens. And in chip designing, basically that is the fabless. The fabless is again further divided into two parts, pre-silicon and post-silicon. Pre-silicon, that is basically the process before when you touch your chip, basically, right? So wafer, because until unless the wafer comes into the picture, that process is known as the pre-silicon. And post-silicon, wafer introduction, right? Once wafer comes into the picture, that process comes under the post-silicon category. And again, pre-silicon categories are divided into for the front end, back end, DFT, EDAs, all many more things are there, right? Okay, so that is basic top view of your semiconductor subsectors in which the different manpowers are working.